all that smoke. Well, it's from the wildfires. It's having an impact across parts of our area. An air quality alert was issued as a result.
Yeah, look at this hazy sky hovering over the region. You can see this from Chopper 2. Kristie Keleshian reports on who's most at risk from the smoke.
It was nearly impossible for David Paredes and his friends to ignore the summer-like weather and high temperatures in Freehold. But as someone living with asthma, Paredes is staying cautious, describing what it feels like for him when smoke fills the air.
Kind of feels like you have like a powder in your throat, or like it gets hard to breathe, like the airways and stuff. They feel kind of like they get clogged.
The National Weather Service issued an air quality alert Wednesday into Thursday, and the New York State Department of Environmental Conservation implemented an air quality health advisory Thursday throughout the New York City metro area, Long Island, and even central New York due to the Jones Road fire in Ocean County, at least about 50 miles away.
Smoke itself is a big irritant that just goes into the lung and again causes inflammation. So there can be many things that people are breathing in that could affect people differently. But again, it's just important just to take precautious measures in general.
The AQI, or Air Quality Index, reached levels considered unhealthy for sensitive groups, like those with asthma or COPD, and even children or older adults.
When these advisories are issued, that really is just a sign that you need to start paying attention. Itchy throat, trouble breathing, if you're outside for long periods of time and you start to feel some symptoms, make sure you're going inside.
The air quality alert is not a call for everyone to stay inside, but to remain cautious and aware, even when staying inside. Maxine Grank lives in Freehold, about 30 miles north of the Jones Road fire.
Yeah, we smelt it in the house. We did feel it a little bit, so we closed the windows. We had them open because it was such a beautiful day.
Dr. Patel recommends keeping an eye on at-home filtration devices and ensuring their internal filters are changed.
The higher quality filters are going to do a better job, of course, so you want to make sure that you're looking at the quality of filter that you have, but make sure that you change it, especially after a fire episode, just to make sure the air inside of your house is staying clean as well.
Officials also recommend keeping an eye on local air quality alerts on airnow.gov. In Freehold, New Jersey, Kristie Keleshian, CBS News, New York.
And for more now on our air quality alerts, let's bring in meteorologist Rob Marciano with our first alert forecast. Rob?
Hey guys, I'm glad they made that point. I actually changed my air filter in my home today. It had to be done regardless, but a good timing because pathogens and other allergens can get it in there for sure. Here's the other good news is that the growth of this fire has begun to slow. Containment's going up just a little bit, but the growth, even though it's really big, we haven't seen something like this in 20 years, it's beginning to slow. So that's good, even though we've done it without the rain. So here are the air quality alerts, all of Long Island. We've got it across Westchester County, parts of the lower Hudson Valley, and all of the 5 boroughs. Right now in Manhattan, we have an 85 air quality index. What does that mean? All right, that's in the yellow, so that's a moderate level. At times, we've gotten to this. It's certainly out in some of the surrounding areas. That's when people who are sensitive to this, it will be considered unhealthy. The forecast for tomorrow here in town is 85, but again, other spots will get up and over 100. We do have the threat for rain coming on Saturday, and that's going to be a good thing. We'll talk more about that in just a few minutes, guys.
All right, Rob, thanks very much.
And do stay with CBS News New York for continuing coverage of the Ocean County wildfire and our air quality conditions. You can also find updates on CBSNewYork.com.